Welcome to eVision Hub. In this episode, we are going to talk about the factors to be considered while choosing an image sensor and how to choose the one that fits your application. Let us first see what an image sensor is. In a camera system, an image sensor is used to capture the incident light focused through a lens or other optics. Among the types of sensors, CMOS image sensors are the most popular for digital imaging. Let us now look at the 4 different factors to be considered while choosing an image sensor. They are sensitivity, resolution, lighting conditions, and finally position and nature of the target. Let us look at each of these in detail. To capture images in ultra-low light conditions, a sensor with high sensitivity is required. Excellent image quality with low noise can be achieved with this. Coming to high resolution. High resolution is necessary in applications that require very high image quality since it is an indicator of pixel count and performance. Active pixels, pixel readout characteristics, signal to noise ratio, and pixel size also determine the quality of the image. Resolution increases with decrease in pixel size. However, this reduced pixel size might result in a lower signal to noise ratio, increasing the noise in the output image. The third important factor to be considered is lighting conditions. Some of the vision applications involve varying light sources with a wide difference in brightness levels within a field of view. This is where dynamic range comes into play. A sensor with a high dynamic range has the flexibility to operate in a wide range of lighting conditions. For indoor applications that have controlled and varying lighting, a sensor with white balance is required. Also, for outdoor applications that have randomness in lighting, a sensor with auto white balance and auto exposure is recommended. The last important factor is position or nature of the target. This will help to determine the shutter type to be chosen. As opposed to rolling shutters, global shutter sensors are designed to avoid image distortion caused by rolling shutter artifacts. While global shutter sensors are effective in capturing fast-moving objects accurately, some forms of global shutter technology may lead to a reduction in sensitivity, dynamic range, and saturation. Hope you got a good understanding on how to choose the right image sensor for your application to maximize the effectiveness and accuracy of your vision system. If you need any help to choose the right image sensor for your application, please write to us at camerasolutions@acornsystems.com and our camera experts will always be happy to help you. Thank you.